Most people use skincare without reading the ingredients, but what you put on your skin matters. Stop buying skincare, make this instead. Here's the natural glow balm recipe I promised. Simple, effective, and made with natural ingredients you can trust, no chemicals. Ingredients. You'll need shea butter, coconut oil, a small amount of turmeric, and vitamin E. Formula. For a 100-gram batch, you need 70 grams shea butter, 25 grams coconut oil, very small pinch of turmeric, 1 gram vitamin E, best type vitamin E to use. Tocopherol or mixed tocopherols, oil soluble. Form you should buy. Liquid oil, not capsules. Golden/yellow color, slightly thick texture, works as an antioxidant, helps extend shelf life, supports scalp and hair care. Avoid this type. Tocopherol acetate, more common in commercial creams, less effective in pure oil blends, not ideal for your natural formulation. Preparation. Start by gently melting the shea butter. Add the coconut oil and mix well. Then add vitamin E and a small amount of turmeric. Stir, pour into a clean jar, and let it set. How to use. Apply a small amount to clean skin, preferably at night, 2 to 4 times per week. Benefits. This balm helps hydrate your skin, improve softness, and support a more even-looking tone. In the next video, I'll show you how to make natural hair strength oil for scalp care and shine. Subscribe to NaturalBloom for simple, natural recipes and herbal beauty tips you can trust.